name is Emmanuel, and this is my AP language project that Lydia Gillespie has assigned to us. Anyways, we're supposed to explain. Okay, so Lydia Gillespie loves to give projects at the last minute. Not really, but anyways, we're supposed to explain what portfolios we have chosen. Okay, so Lydia Gillespie has made us choose 3 portfolios or Qs, 2s, or Q1s, 3s that we have to revise and explain why we chose them, why and how, and what we've learned. So I've choose our first portfolio that we did, our 5th, and our Q2. Okay, so I chose the first portfolio that we did because it was about sports. And it was like sports and me, it was a personal thing. It was easy to write about because it was personal and it's just something I'm passionate about. I chose to write about swimming, and if you knew me or if you are going to read what I'm going to put down, I love swimming. Swimming for 4 years for Ford was amazing. I love Genie, and everything that came with swim helped me a lot as a person. Okay, and then our 5th portfolio, we had more rain on it, and so obviously you guys know. It was the review about a movie or a song or anything about, so I chose a movie. I chose the Easy A movie. I don't know if any of you guys have seen it. I watch it all the time. It is my to-go movie. I watch it like almost every night, but I won't put a definite answer to that. But the reason why I chose to do this prompt is because it was easy. I would enjoy writing about the movie because I love the movie. It might be biased, obviously. Easy A was a movie that I watched a lot, and so it was easy to do a review about. And with the review, I hoped that other people would watch it because it's an amazing movie, and I really recommend it for not all ages, but ages appropriate for profanity. The next and my last one I chose to write it or to publish really, is our Q2. I only did the Q2 because I needed something else to put in, and Ms. Gillespie made us write that one for a practice for the AP Lang exam. But anyways, I chose to showcase the Q2, I guess you could say, because it was one of the papers that I actually liked writing. I had a clear mind on what I was writing, and it was easy to write about. It was about placing your ideas in places, or either in ideas, and I kind of agreed with both, but I'm actually not too sure what I agree on. But the reason why I chose it was because it was just really easy and I did well on it, so I would like to showcase that to you guys. What I learned from this class, or what I learned from the writing process, and the other question about like what I learned about myself, they kind of go hand in hand. I learned that, I think all of us do. We used I's a lot until now, and I think now we really learned how to write an essay or like a college-worthy essay, and I think that was very helpful. The writing process, that was very hard for me. I know because I am not actually that well in writing. I don't know why I take AP Lang and composition. Like, I'm not great at writing. If anyone knows me, I suck at English in general. My strong suits are in math and science. But actually taking this course, it has helped me create a writing process to, like, mathematically I could put these words here and here. So I found another way on how to write instead of just like normal great writers usually write, because they just write naturally. One thing I learned with my own writing style is that I usually ramble a lot. Like, I like to include details that may not even make any sense or have any relevance to the topic of what I'm writing. So I will have to learn when to stop that, and like just to stop doing that in general. But I guess what I really learned from AP Language is just how to write a 2 to 3 page essay in one night. Okay, so lastly, AP Lang meant to me what it meant to me, basically GPA. But other than that, I don't want Ms. Gillespie to get the wrong idea. I liked the class. The class was very smooth, yet very vigorous in the fact that like you had things to do while other things were due, and you could spread that around yourself. You could spread that however you wanted that throughout your whole week. The vocabulary was not vocabulary that we would never use ever again. The vocab actually came in handy when we actually did the AP exam. So what like this class means to me is like it just means a lot, I guess you could say. I don't know how else to word it, but like this class means something and actually applies to life and like further writing processes or further writing essays that we do in college. So I think this class actually helps a lot, even though I did not do well. Well, I don't know if I did well or not. Last grade is still being submitted, but hopefully this project is a good grade. So um, that's about it. So this is my AP Lang project. My name is Emmanuel. Bye.